Being with you here today, I'm overcome with the feeling that I'm stood in the right place at the right time with the right person. The person I want to do the rest of my life with. Over the past 11 years, we've grown up together, but always stayed young together. We've made some big decisions together, but always laughed through it all. And we've always made the best of teams. Most of all though, we've never stopped loving and supporting each other. I love you now, as I have for all of these years, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my time with you.
It's crazy to think that it was over 11 years ago at a paint party on the first night of Freshers that I thought you telling me it was your birthday at midnight was just a chat line. And now we're standing with everyone we love getting married. You've made me laugh every single day since, even when I've not really wanted to. We've achieved so much both together and individually, allowing each other to grow throughout our entire 20s to the people we are today. I promise to always laugh with you, even when things get difficult. I promise to always support you in anything that you choose to do, whether that's a job I still don't quite understand, or even an unnecessary purchase of a new golf club. And I promise to always be the calm amongst your occasional chaos. I've loved growing up with you, and I still love doing life with you. I'm so excited for more adventures with you.
We are here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of Conor and Kelly, and to be with them as they make a lifelong commitment to each other. Today is the day that Kelly and Conor will celebrate and remember forever. Marriage is the union of two people voluntarily entered into for life to the exclusion of all others.
I, Conor Skillen, take thee, Kelly Millgate, to be my wedded wife.
I, Kelly Millgate, take thee, Conor Skillen, to be my wedded husband.
Well now, Kelly and Conor, it gives me great pleasure to pronounce that you are husband and wife, and it is traditional that you seal the marriage contract with a kiss. Mr. and Mrs. Skillen.